Finally, the official things are out for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I mean the official pictures, confirming the design, color options, and the cover display of Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, the cameras on the back is also changed and maybe a better durability numbers, which I share all in this video. So stick till the end to find more, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. From the past couple of my videos, I shared the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but these are the official pictures of Galaxy Z Fold 6. First, the noticeable thing is the color options on the Fold 6. We are going to see a navy blue, silver, and other color options included pink and white. Now the silver color option looks more like a titanium color, and I'll share more details on durability later. But looking at the design of a Z Fold 6, this thing will surely come with a boxier design, and outer display is also changed due to a new hinge design. The lenses on the back is also changed, but the internals are quite the same as last year. Although these renders didn't share any dimension, but looking at the picture, the cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might feature symmetrical bezels. This means all four sides will have the same width of bezel. And yes, looking at the render, it looks slightly wider in size compared to the Z Fold 5. Obviously, we can confirm how wider later in this video with the first ever hands-on look, but looking at the render, would you still consider buying the Z Fold 6, and which color option would you go for? Now apart from this, the price is just insane on Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it is mostly in European region. The base price for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is around 2200 euros, almost 300 euros more price compared to the last version. This is a big step up from the previous generation, and even the US market will going to see a price hike. So basically, Samsung is going to increase the price on both Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, just like Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you know, Samsung increased $100 on S24 Ultra compared to S23 Ultra. They are doing the same with the Fold 6 and Flip 6. So the new price will be $1899 for 256 gigs, and each option has a $100 price increase, with the 512 gigs and 1TB version of a Z Fold 6 is reportedly having $2019 and $2259 for the 1TB version. Same concept on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, we are going to see a price at $1099 instead of $999 on Z Flip 5. But if you are willing to buy the Z Fold 6, I would suggest you guys to buy in the pre-order deals. You probably get free storage upgrade and great rating deals. Now apart from the price, at the start I mentioned I will share more details about the Z Fold 6 durability measures, and previous sources suggest we may not see the titanium frame on the Z Fold 6, but now a couple of new sources and even the color options suggest we may see a new durability measures on Z Fold 6. Yes, the titanium build for the Z Fold 6, which is a big jump from a previous generation. And for durability in foldables, what comes first? The hinge of foldable phones, and Samsung is changing it. Last year, we saw flex hinge on Fold 5, which makes Fold 5 close shut with no gap between the hinge. We were going to see a similar hinge, but even more durable, and Samsung is also going to change the name of it, the Iron Flex. Also, this year, S24 Ultra came with titanium frame, and we were expecting before Samsung might give us titanium frame or titanium hinge on Z Fold 6. No, it's not coming. There is no titanium hinge on Z Fold 6. The number of folds are also confirmed, 200,000, which is exactly same from the past couple of foldables. I'll share the front of a Z Fold 6 later in this video, but we are also going to see new glass on the front of the Z Fold 6. The Gorilla Glass armor, which was used in Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we might see anti-reflective coating same as S24 Ultra. Not only wider, but more durable cover displays coming. Now that we know about the durability, let's see the first ever hands-on look and details of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 design. Samsung is losing a foldable game, and we all know the biggest reason why people want a Chinese foldable over a Korean giant is the wider cover display. And this is the first ever hands-on video from a Korean YouTuber showing off a Z Fold 6 against the Z Fold 5. Although Z Fold 6 looks modern and up-to-date compared to the older design on the Z Fold 5, which Samsung was using since the Z Fold 2, but still people are not happy about the hands-on look of the Z Fold 6. Now these are some of the reasons. First, Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not wider compared to the Z Fold 5. The way Samsung achieved a slightly wider display is to reduce the hinge and make a phone boxier. Still, it is far from what we get on the OnePlus Open. The good thing which Samsung did is even all the size of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which ends up giving us the symmetrical bezels on Z Fold 6 for the first time in Samsung Foldable. The reason I said it is slightly wider compared to the Z Fold 5 is because he put a screen protector of a Z Fold 6 on Fold 5, which shows us we cannot use it on Z Fold 5 as it is wider compared to the Z Fold 5. Is it wider enough? Obviously no. The thickness is also reduced on Z Fold 6. He measured around 12.5mm and lead thickness was 12.1mm, which means they reduced it compared to 13.4mm on Fold 5. This also helps Samsung to reduce the weight on the Fold 6. We got around 239 grams, which is 14 grams lighter than the Fold 5. This would be a huge difference if you are coming from any older foldable phone like a Z Fold 2, 3 or even 4. Now these things are good, but people don't want such updates. Although Samsung gave us more premium feeling to make a flat sides on the Z Fold 6, this looks good compared to the Fold 5, but do people really wanted it? Obviously no, they just want a wider cover display. The cameras are out for the Z Fold 6. Now the first official look shows the camera lenses are slightly changed compared to the Z Fold 5. But what about the cameras themselves? Simply, Samsung is going with a 50MP main shooter, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP 3x telephoto sensor. Same selfie shooter and same UDC under display camera. Samsung is using same cameras from the past 3 years from Fold 4, Fold 5 and now Fold 6. Also now the younger brother, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is getting a 50MP main sensor. Samsung will improve the optimization on the cameras, but no update in the sensor. The reservation is started for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Finally, after so many leaks and rumors, Samsung started the reservation for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. You can head over to Samsung's official website and reserve your Galaxy device and can save up to $50 when later on you will pre-order your device. There is no commitment involved, you just need a name and an email. So you can use this credit later to get a case for your next Galaxy device. Should you reserve now? I think if you're looking to get the Z Fold 6, this is a great option. Now this is the official teaser of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Showing off a couple of things. Obviously at the end it shows the date of the release date, July 10th, but showing off Eiffel Tower, meaning the next Unpack event will going to happen in Paris before the Olympics. They will going to live stream at 3 PM local time, 9 AM Eastern time and 6 AM Pacific time. And YouTube is the best place to watch the official event, where we can see multiple devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7 series including the special edition Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Ring. Now let's see some of the great pre-order deals we can get from Samsung. First, it is more or less confirmed we can get free storage upgrade, where if you pre-order 256 gigs of storage, you will going to get a 512 gigs of storage for free. But the interesting thing is, while reserving your phone, you can see Samsung claims save up to $1,500+ when you pre-order a new Galaxy device. This is more like a marketing strategy, where if you pre-order multiple devices from this Unpack event, you can totally save over $1,500. And I also think this includes the new trade-in deals on your previous Galaxy devices, or I should say the big chunk of $1,500. On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.